Red dirt on our boots, lights across the sky. Another season written under headland nights. Four colors, four clubs, one diamond, one town. When that first pitch flies, you know it's going down. Friday night, hear the dugout call, dust in the air and eyes on the ball. Pitcher winds up, batter digs in, one little swing and the race begins. Glove snaps shut, runner takes flight, round second hard with home in sight. From the first warm up to the final play, we came for the game and we came to stay. Every bruise, every slide, every laugh from the side, every win, every fight. We remember these nights under the headland lights. We come alive tonight. Hear the bats ring out, hear the whole crowd shout. Run hard, stand tall, get dirty, give it all. Different colors, side by side. This is our game, this is our pride under the headland lights. Yeah, this is softball life. Yeah, this is softball life. Here come the Jets and they're ready to fly. Pink and black flashing under the sky. Quick off the bag and sharp on the throw. Give them an opening, watch them go. Bat meets ball and the outfield turns. Round every base while the scoreboard burns. Engines are running, they're taking flight. Jets are rolling under headland lights. Pirates sailing yellow and green, ready to steal everything in between. Take that base with a grin on their face, turn one hit into a home plate race. Gloves like hooks and bats like steel, you know when the Pirates are making it real. Raise the flag when the runners come through, there's treasure at home and they're taking it too. Under the headland lights, we come alive tonight. Hear the bats ring out, hear the whole crowd shout. Run hard, stand tall, get dirty, give it all. Different colors, side by side. This is our game, this is our pride under the headland lights. Yeah, this is softball life. Blue comes charging, Raiders are here. Fast round the bases, loud in your ear. Hard into the glove, clean across the plate. Pressure keeps building, but they never hesitate. Chasing every fly, fighting for the run. Playing every inning like it's number one. When the game gets tight and the moment arrives, Raiders dig deep and the whole team drives. Red and blue step onto the ground. PCYC and they're shutting it down. Pitch comes through and the timing is right. Send that yellow ball into the night. Strong in the field and quick on their feet. Every play earned, every challenge they meet. From dugout cheers to the final strike. PCYC bring everything they've got tonight. One town, one game, four clubs, same flame. Jets, Pirates, Raiders, PCYC, headline softball. Make some noise. bloody well. But years from now, what we'll remember most won't just be the runs or who came close. It'll be teammates laughing, families by the fence, kids chasing softballs and friendships that make sense. Another season finished, another chapter done. But when we meet back here again, we'll play another one under the headland lights. We come alive tonight. Hear the bats ring out, hear the whole crowd shout. Run hard, stand tall, get dirty, give it all. Different colors, side by side. This is our game, this is our pride. For every player, every team, every moment in between. From the first pitch to the final night, we're Headland Softball. Under the lights. Red dirt on our boots, stars across the sky. Another season finished under the headland lights. Take your stance. The game is ours, we take our chance. We bring the heat and answer the call. There's nothing soft about softball. Feel the dirt beneath your cleats. The swing, the drive, the thrill to compete. Strive. This is our game where we come alive. Yeah, 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 yeah. Friday night, lights come on, lines are marked and the bases are down. Bats come out, gloves go on, another softball night in town. But before that first pitch ever flies, there's a whole lot happening behind the scenes. Someone made the call, someone found the time, someone worked it out when the numbers wouldn't lie. Someone opened gates, someone stayed back late, someone fixed the problem no one knew about till 8. You might only see the game when the teams take the floor, but there's always something happening long before the score. So tonight isn't only for the winners, and it isn't only for the teams, it's for everybody who helped make another season be. 'Cause it's more than the score, more than who won, more than the hits and the home plate runs. It's the people who show up, the people who care, the ones doing work when nobody's there. Another year, another season, another 100 reasons we keep coming back for more. Headland softball, it's always been more than the score. Christy at the helm keeps the season on track. When something needs doing, she's got everybody's back. Emma and Chantel, VPs in the mix, helping find answers and sorting out the tricks. Barb has the minutes and the paperwork in hand. Sarah knows exactly where the dollars have to land. Serena gets the registrations ready to go. Names on the list before we hit the show. 6 people, countless jobs, plenty nobody sees. So here's a massive thank you from every one of these teams. 'Cause it's more than the score, more than who won, more than the hits and the home plate runs. It's the people who show up, the people who care, the ones doing work when nobody's there. Another year, another season, another 100 reasons we keep coming back for more. Headland softball, it's always been more than the score. Jets took flight in pink and black. Pirates swung hard and kept coming back. Raiders brought the blue and never backed away. PCYC came ready every game day. 4 clubs chasing one yellow ball. Different colors underneath it all. We compete like hell when we step on the dirt, then laugh about it later when the bruises start to hurt. That's softball, that's Headland, that's how this game should be. To the coaches teaching one more thing, and the umpires hearing what both dugouts think. To the scorers watching every play, trying to work out what just happened anyway. To the volunteers who set it all up, the ones who back down when everyone's had enough. To the families waiting beside the fence, and partners discovering softball has no concept of just 10 more minutes. To the kids running wild between the games, the supporters who somehow remember everybody's names. Every person plays a part, whether they ever touch the ball. Without all of you behind us, there wouldn't be a season at all. Years from now we probably won't remember every score written up on the wall, but we'll remember the big hits, the ridiculous misses, the catches nobody expected at all. We'll remember the road trips, the dugout jokes, the nights that went way too late, and the people standing beside us who made turning up worth the wait. So before we close another year, there's just one thing left to say. It was more than the score, more than who won, more than the trophies days when the season was done. It was people showing up, people who cared, friends on the dime and friends everywhere. Another year, another season, and the best part is the reason we'll all come back for more. To the committee, clubs, and everyone here,